He tasted the salt from the ocean on her lips. Their eyes locked. Forever, he whispered the word of vow. And always, her voice was a gentle echo in the night. Silhouettes against the lighthouse glow, they found solace. Bound by the waves, they were drawn closer. The salt air wrapped around them, and the stars were silent witnesses to their love. This was the highlight of my day, she whispered. The moon danced in her eyes. You are the highlight of my whole life. His voice was thick with emotion. He moved her ocean-soaked hair from her face, tracing his hand down the sculpture of her chin. Where would I be now if fate hadn't led me here to you? His gaze deepened. You could hear her breath become heavy as he touched her soul with his words, and her eyes became wet. Is something wrong? He asked. Nothing could be wrong, she replied. I just never knew a love like this could really exist.